Hey there, welcome back. Great job in going through that first video. This is Max Codes. If you didn't watch the first video, go ahead and click the link in the description to get back to it. In the first video, we set up the application and the screen I'm going to put on right now. And we are now having our SCSS compile. It works great. It changes when it updates whenever we make a change and save it. But now we need to integrate live server and NPM package so that whenever we make a change, our page also reloads so we don't have to manually reload it. So that's all we're going to do in this video. It's going to be super quick, just a couple minutes. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, welcome back. So what we're going to do is we are going to basically make it so whenever we change some variable, right? So if I change this purple to green and I hit save, it's going to automatically update when we hit save. If I change this grid gap to 10 pixels, it's going to go back automatically. We don't have to reload it. Notice how it says 127.0.0.1 colon 8080 instead of just like index.html. Okay, that's because this is a live server. Now, you can also just go to localhost 8080, but you don't need to even worry about the URL. It does it automatically, and you're about to see really quickly. It's actually so quick that I'm kind of questioning why I didn't just include it in the last video. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to integrate live server and NPM package so that whenever we make a change in here, like if we wanted to change this grid gap to 50 pixels, we hit save and then it automatically reloads. Right now we hit save and we have to reload it and then it makes the change. Okay, so it's actually really simple. I'm going to show you how to do it right now, and then I will take you to the NPM page. Actually, I'll take you to the NPM page right now, okay? So first things first, you want this first command to be running, right? The NPM run SASS. Now what I did here was I just opened up two terminals. That's how I have two windows open. So you need two terminal windows open. Okay, so make sure your first command is going, package.json, right? SASS. And then in another terminal window is where we're going to run live server, okay? So first thing you need to do is go to npmjs.com, and then you don't have to do this, but you can just watch it on my screen. That's actually what I suggest. And basically search up, what's it called? Live-server, okay? Now, I actually haven't checked it out here yet, but I'm sure it'll have a good description. Okay, so basically it's a little dev server with live reload capability, okay? So really dope. I'm going to show you how we can use it. It's actually very easy, okay? You want to run npm install-g live server. So you want to run that in your terminal. I've already installed it, so I might get like a warning or something saying I've already installed it. But basically, we're going to install it globally, right? When we installed node SASS, we installed that as a dev dependency or just a dependency, right? When we install something globally, it's not going to go in our package.json or our node modules, okay? It's just going to go on our computer. So once you install this, it's basically, I'm going to cancel mine just because I've installed it. But basically, once you've installed it globally, you can always use it in a project. So you might already have it installed. If you do, you don't have to run that. Okay, so now all you have to do is say live-server in a separate window, and it's going to run our application as a live server. So now in our main.scss, let's go ahead and change this grid gap to 100 pixels. Go ahead and save it, and you'll see it automatically updates. So yeah, very simple. Just wanted to show you that in a separate video because it's kind of a separate thing than our actual SCSS compilation and all that. So I just want it to be more easy. I want it to be easier to find if someone's looking for specifics, right? So notice how I changed those colors. I hit save and then it automatically does that. All right, so that's it. I'll see you guys in future videos. Check out the links in the description for more content, for Udemy courses, and leave a comment, subscribe, like, follow me on all over on the internet, let's hang out, stuff like that. All right, so see you guys later.